Alright guys, we're starting the hike near the parking lot of the Monashee Provincial Park. Me and Jacob are here just walking up the hill. Alright guys, approaching the second drinking water source, about 30 minutes from the parking lot, Monashee Provincial Park. Alright, here we are. Alright, we're here at Okanagan Creek. Here we are, got this apple going.
3 kilometers on the trail.
3 kilometers on the trail, probably about half an hour from Spectrum Lake, but we're going to bypass it and just go right up to Peters Lake. And there's some nice views looking to the south. So here we are, been a bit over an hour into the trail, approaching the third water source. Getting a real sweat on now. Got some water, got everything all good. And this is Trish Creek here. Check in with you later. Alright, here we are guys, we're at the Spectrum Lake and Peters Lake turnoff. Spectrum Lake is a beautiful lake, but we're going right up to Peters, so go check it out yourself. Sorry?
We gotta keep charging.
Yeah, we gotta keep charging up the mountain or else it's getting foggy and you never know what's gonna happen up in these mountains, so just gotta go and set up camp. Right, here we are, past Spectrum Lake. Sudden cliff drop off right there. Don't wanna fall. Check in later. As we head deeper and higher into bear country, another creek here. Up past Spectrum with the ultimate destination of Mount Fosthall. As you move out of Spectrum Lake, as you start going higher and higher, and then you start entering these switchback hills, which just go up and up, switching back and forth until you get to Peters Lake. Well, we've been hiking about half an hour since the last check-in, and we just reached Char Creek. Probably about an hour from this mightier river, which we'll have lunch at, and probably about 7-8 kilometers from Little Peters Lake. Until next time. Hey, so we're back. We passed this this great river recently and got some nice photos there, and now we're just walking up those endless switchbacks that I was talking about. Just a quick check-in. So here you are, we got to Little Peters Lake. There's Slate Mountain up there. No sign of any grizzlies or any wildlife yet, except for some marmots. Yeah, those the switchbacks really take everything out of you. And now we'll be heading up to Big Peters Lake, about a 2-hour hike. Check in then. So here we are at Big Peters Lake. I'm gonna go set up camp. It's dusk. Check in soon, we got lots of stuff to do. So here we are, we're beginning the long trek up to Fosthall. Just starting off at Big Peters Lake. It's a nice morning. You can see the sun shining over the ridges. Got a pretty shit sleep last night, but we're good. So here we are again on the way up to Mount Fosthall. When we just get past that little ridge there to the right, Mount Fosthall will be about an hour hike. And then the ridge up, at least another few hours. We saw some nice waterfalls here. Try and add some photos. Yeah, it's a nice day. It's about 7 in the morning, sun just coming over the horizon. It's gonna be a good one. Here we are, guys. Almost made it. There were some ice banks down there that were really sketchy to climb up because you just slip down, you know. But on the way down, they say you can just slide down and it's a good old time. On top of the fucking world. So here we are, guys. Mount Fosthall, elevation 2,697 meters. Oof.
We made it.
It's the highest elevation I've ever been at. Definitely lots of bigger hikes to come. There's Sugar Mountain over there. There's the Arrow Lakes and the Kootenays over there. Then up here more in the Monashees, there's Mount Thor, Mountain Odin over there. Cherry Mountain. Right on. What? Yeah, it's going. It's filming. You fucking made it. Here we go for the snow slide round 2. Way down from Fosthall. Oh, he's going down, he's going down. Let's do it. About to get the fucking big bump here. Alright, crawling along. Oh, it's like a roller coaster. Oh, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Woohoo! Woo! Woohoo! Woo! All right, 3rd edition of the snow slide is going down. It's like, why would you ever pay to go to an amusement park? Oh shit. Oh, he's going. Okay, he went all the way fucking down there. Well, here we go. Let's go. Just sliding down this little hill. Definitely did some rock obstruction going there. And here we are, number 3. Oh, fuck, my pants are so wet. Fucking going. Oh, here's the downhill part.